Why are farmers tying banana peels to plant stems? At first, it looks strange, but the truth will surprise you. This is a banana peel. Most people throw it away, but gardeners know it's a natural booster packed with potassium, calcium, and phosphorus. Instead of burying it, tie the peel gently to the plant stem. As it breaks down, it slowly releases nutrients right where the plant needs them most, like an organic slow-release fertilizer. The results? Stronger stems, greener leaves, bigger blossoms, and sweeter fruits, without chemicals. This works wonders on roses, tomatoes, chilies, cucumbers, and more. Just replace the peel every 7 to 10 days. So don't throw away banana peels. They're plant power packs. Try this hack and watch your plants thrive.